Hello, and welcome back to Connor's Crypto Trading. In this video, we're going to be talking about Casper, its short-term upside targets and short-term downside targets, as well as long-term upside targets. Well, since the last video, a little bit has changed. We've started to go sideways, and we did make one more low. As I said, when we broke 1.8, we could retest, or we could go down to 1.5. It didn't go quite that far down. It went down to 1.7. And since then, we've had about a 25% bounce. Not quite. Well, at the top of these wicks, it was close to 25%. And once we get over 2.3 cents, which is at the 786, your next target to the upside is the 618. Oh, I believe that's correct. This always happens. I tap on it and then it gets moved around. Alright, yep, that's correct. Alright. So yeah, next target after the 786 and to the 786 is about, it's not too far away. It's about 10%. Your next target after that is, again, the 618. And that's sitting at 3 cents. And from where we're at, $0.03 is roughly a little over 35%. And that will be that's big resistance up there, so it will definitely take a few weeks to get over that level. And your targets to the downside are still 1.5 cents. And this downtrend very well could be over. But let's switch over to Bitcoin quick. Bitcoin has had a bit of a bounce. As I said, once it broke 56,000, it could come down to 53. It did that exactly. 53,550. And since then we've had about $5,000, $6,000 bounce. Very decent bounce. Now we do need to have a weekly close over 62,000. If we can't, we are going lower, and we will retest the 618, which is at $49,000. 50 to 49,000. And that would send Casper down to 1.5 cents. Now switching back to Casper. Your next targets after the 618 is the 0.5, and from where we're at, the 0.5 is about 3.5, or is at 3.5 cents, and is 62%. After that is the 382, and that's roughly 85%. That's at 4 cents, and the 236 is at 4.8 cents, and that's 110%. Now your highest short-term upside targets are the macro 236, which is at 7.3 cents, and from where we're at, that's 232%. After that is the 382, and that's at 10 cents, and that's 370%. And then you have the highest short-term target, and that's at 0.5, and that's 13 cents. That's almost 500% up to the 0.5. Now your long-term upside targets are $1 to as high as $4 to $5. $1, I wouldn't be expecting those highest short-term targets until at least around October to November. And I wouldn't expect these long-term targets until at least the spring of 2025 to the end of 2025. $1 is roughly a 45x. $2 $2 is about a 88x. $3 is roughly 134x, and $4 is roughly 177x. And $5, I don't think it's gonna go that high, but maybe, there's always a chance, is about 222%, or 222x, 22,200%. And again, yes, you shouldn't be expecting those targets to at least 2025. And again, this is probably the lowest you're going to be able to buy Casper, is down at around 2 cents. If you aren't buying now, then you will miss out on short-term future gains and long-term future gains. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your night or day.